Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about first and fourth derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. So the first thing we need to know that cosine x we can transform into e to the power of is plus e to the power of negative is over number 2. And now we need to transform cosine x into this one. So we have number 2. I will do factorization. E to the power of x multiplied by this one and this one. So they should be like this. Now, if I do first derivative of this one, they should be like this. Because if we do first derivative of this one, we keep the same. Later that we do first derivative I plus 1 with s, you got about I plus 1. Similar for the second one. Now if we go to second derivative of this one, they should be like this. So we will have the power number 2 in here, because we just repeat the process of this one. That's why we have another I plus 1 and I plus 1 multiplied by I plus 1. We have number 2. Similar for the second one. And now we can go to the last one. And here is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.